Taking all my homemade features. I mean my homemade squishy, except for this thing. But I'm gonna count it as fake squishy. So first is this pink. This pink has so nice color and so very cool. My goodness. And it's a balloon. No matter the background sounds. So ito is ginawa ko to siya. So i-rate ko dito 9 out of 10. Yes. 9 out of 10. And ito naman, ito yung ganda. Ito i-rate ko to ng 8 out of 10 kasi masakit siya sa kamay. Pero ang ganda ng color niya at strawberry shape siya. Kaya 8 out of 10. Ito naman yung oh my gosh, infinite out of 10. Nice cube. Ito naman yung water. Water. So, i-rate ko dito. Nice sounds pero i-rate ko dito is 3 out of 10 kasi baka lumupok niyan dito. So, next naman is ito. Dito. Watering siya pero may salt. 3 out of 10 pa siya. Kasi, nagpakulupok siya. Ito naman yung natural water. So, i-rate ko dito is i-rate ko dito. Of course, i-rate ko dito is 2 out of 10. Matigas siya. So, dito naman tayo sa hindi naman ito as questions. Count ko lang. Ito is maganda siya. So, i-rate ko dito 1 out of 10. Ito cute siya. 10 out of 10. Oh my gosh. Bye.